Understanding Restoration Grant, a simple guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a very interesting phrase in English, restoration grant. This term might sound complex, but we'll break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about this phrase, you're in the right place. The phrase, restoration grant, is composed of two words, restoration and grant. Let's look at each word separately. Restoration refers to the act of returning something to its original condition or repairing it. It's often used in the context of historical buildings, artworks, or other significant objects. Grant is a term that means giving or allowing something, usually referring to money. In this context, it's an amount of money given, often by the government or an organization, for a specific purpose. When combined, restoration grant refers to financial support given for the purpose of repairing, restoring, or preserving something valuable, usually of historical or cultural significance. Understanding a phrase also involves seeing how it's used in real life. Here are some examples. 1. The museum received a restoration grant to repair the ancient statue. 2. Our community is applying for a restoration grant to restore the old theater downtown. In these sentences, restoration grant is used to talk about funding received for specific restoration projects. The phrase, restoration grant, is important because it's commonly used in discussions about preserving history, culture, and art. Knowing this phrase can help you understand news about historical sites, museums, and conservation efforts. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, restoration grant. Remember, English is a language full of interesting phrases, and each one is an opportunity to learn more about the language and the culture it represents. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.